So yeah, today we are going to discuss about the Docker. So let's perform the Docker lab. So I have started the my instance. So we already know how to start instance. So let's see. And in this, let's try to update it. So I already updated it, but let me show you again. Then update -y. Okay, so no package for micro:bit. And now see Docker packages. So let's verify whether the Docker is installed. Now Docker is not installed. Okay. So now, uh, so mostly all Amazon like AWS instance all comes with the default Docker. So to verify it, let's try to install this. Let's verify. So, yeah, search. Yeah. So yes, it's available. Docker. So let's try to install it. So to install it to the same command. So install Docker. Right. Okay, so it's installing the Docker. So most of the Amazon Linux it EC2 instance comes with the package, Docker package. We just need to install. And if you want to verify, so let's check the version. Okay, so its version is 20.10.17. If you want to install, you want to confirm. Service Docker, yes, it's under the bin. And service. So let's verify the service. So service Docker status. Okay, it's in inactive state. Okay, so we have successfully installed the Docker, and but still it's in inactive state. So we need to make it active. So let's clear and to start the command to make it enable. At the service Docker start. Now let's verify again. Service Docker status. Okay, so we have successfully uh, started the Docker. Okay, so just give me okay, so we have successfully activated the Docker. Now I'm going to create a container, and in that container, I'm going to install the image that is called nginx web server. So we can locally install, but here we are going to create a container, and in this container, uh, we are going to install the nginx server. Okay, so let's run the command. Let's clear it. So docker run main. So it's a container name we are giving. So I'm giving the container name as my nginx. Then here I'm enabling the port number 80. So this using this port number from outside user will be able to access this nginx server. And then 20 nginx. So let's okay. So let's verify the command again. So it's a docker run, then hyphen name. So it's a container name my my nginx. Then I'm enabling the port. Let's enable port use and the that's nginx. So let's hit enter and see what's going on. Okay, so it's trying to locate it locally, not able to find. So it's pulling it from the Docker hub. See, note whenever it's not able to find it locally, so it will go to the Docker hub because we already have installed the Docker in our virtual machines. So we have successfully installed. Now let's verify. Okay, so here we know we have successfully installed the nginx. So to verify it whether it's running or not, we use to command docker uh, small docker. Yes. So here you can see it's a container ID, images nginx, and 2 minutes over and it's up. So yes, port is enabled. Now let's try to access it. So first accessing it, we need to verify uh, whether the SSC port is enabled or not. So let's verify that one. I think I have enabled that one. So we want. Okay. So I already have enabled that port 80 is allowed. That's good. So now just copy the public address. It's okay. That's good. So we are successfully able to access the nginx server. So in this, uh, yeah. eh, So, so let's verify. So what we have did, we have started the we have started the AWS instance, and in this instance in this Linux machine we have installed the Docker, and in this Docker use we have created the container, and inside the container we are running the nginx server, not in the Linux. That we need to verify, and we have enabled that port, so we are able to successfully access it through the public IP address. So that's it. Thank you.